Little ferret snore. Tuck him in. Snug as a bug. So cute when they cry in their sleep like that. Way better than human snoring. Right, look. Too cute. Look at that little tongue sticking out. Bleh.